Ni piny Kenya ni kod yedhe mag Ayaki kod gigo mitiyo godo e pimo kute mag Ayaki moromo. E kinde mano twagi jofwambo, Barasa nomedo ni yedhego biro chwalo piny Kenya kuom thuolo madirom higni 2 korka kore jagoro mongirore migawo mar thieth Mary Mudhoni owacho ni nitie dwaro ma ji sirkande mag counties mondo ochiw yedhego e yor ler kendo kako winjore.
Regimen being used by over 92% of all ART patients, both adults and children. Currently, there are 2,026,555 packs at both KEMSA and meds, translating to 4.7 months of stock. Over 4.8 million packs will be delivered between now and June 2025, which will increase central level stocks to over 11 months of stock by end of June 2025.
It is important to urge the county governments, the faith-based facilities, to ensure fair, efficient, transparent distribution of these supplies. This is to avoid stockpiling in certain facilities or by specific individuals while others are suffering.
After the stop work order, there was actually a cancellation of the contract with USAID for the program to support drugs. But with interventions from the ministry and the PEFA team, we have been able to restore that pipeline. And this is what we are launching, that the products that have been reported in the previous weeks that were running out, especially the nevirapine, the EID testing and the viral load,